Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy GNT. So to buy GNT, in this tutorial I'm going to use Bitrue crypto exchange. If you haven't signed up yet on Bitrue, link in description. It's really simple to use, secure. I have never had any problems with them, and they also have this cool rewarded task thing where you can just literally get free crypto every single day. That is awesome and very addicting, I would say. But anyway, if you want to buy GNT, you can't buy it straight up with credit card, you know what I'm saying? You first have to buy either XRP or Ethereum and then trade that XRP or Ethereum into GNT. Luckily, it's really easy to buy either XRP or Ethereum. On Bitrue, all you have to do is click home, then click credit card. Here where it says BTC, click that and you can change to buy either Ethereum or XRP. Let's say that I'm going to buy XRP, and then when you have that USD marked here, you can click that and change the currency that you want to use when buying XRP. Now keep in mind that it will take around 10 to 30 minutes for the XRP to reach your wallet. There are some fees, but they are not like huge fees, so keep them in mind. But anyway, after that you just hit buy XRP, and after 10 minutes or so, when you go to your assets, boom, the XRP will show up here. Now to trade that XRP into GNT, all you have to do is go to market, search for GNT. After that, select the GNT XRP pairing. Now click buy, and here you can select how much GNT you want to buy. So let's say that if you select 100 here, it means that you are going to buy GNT with all of your XRPs, and if you select 50 here, that means that you're going to spend 50% of your XRP stack to buy GNT. So select how much you want to buy and then click buy GNT. After a few seconds, the order will execute and the GNT will show up in your assets. So that's the easiest way, in my opinion, to buy GNT. Now, if I always recommend storing your digital assets into an offline wallet. If you still haven't got yourself an offline wallet, they are not that expensive. They're fairly easy to use, and like they are just so secure that I always recommend everybody to get one. So if you still haven't got one, link in description, called Ledger Wallet. Click that and get yourself one Ledger wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.